Hello everyone, I am in London. I've literally just hopped off the train. Hopefully you can hear me, it's quite loud. I'm in London for an event with my two friends Nikki and Rachel. We're going to be running a workshop this evening with Adobe, in collaboration with Adobe, which is very exciting. So I thought I'd bring you along for the weekend. Not even a weekend, it's midweek. I thought I'd bring you along for the couple of days that I'm now in London. And yeah, hopefully it'll be a fun time. We have some stuff planned tomorrow, but mainly here for the event, which is very exciting. So let's head over to Kensington. That's where I need to get to. It's about half an hour. I have a massive, it's not massive, it's a small case that's very heavy, and a backpack that's very heavy. But yeah, let's head over to Kensington. I'll show you where we're staying, I'll show you the workshop, and have some fun London times. So I'm just heading over to where we're holding it now. It's a place called Eve, which is under Ember Locke, which is a hotel in Kensington. So I am just walking from Earl's Court tube station over there to meet Nikki and Rachel, who you may know, and then we'll be setting up the event, so I will take you along with me. Hi everyone. There's Rachel.
I was like, am I saying something? Hello!
And there's Nikki. I tried to do like an intro to the vlog. Hopefully you heard that because it was so loud everywhere. So we're here. We are, we think, where we're going to be having our workshop. So yeah, exciting. It's nice. Yeah, but we're all just chilling out now. That's all I have to say. I just checked into my room here at Ember Locke, and I thought I'd give you a bit of a room tour before we get going with all the things that we need to do. We have things to prep for the event this evening. So yeah, I'll just give you a tiny tour because this is an amazing hotel room. Let me flip you around and show you. I can't quite remember what level of room this is, so I will put it on the screen now in case you want to stay here. It's in Kensington. It's very nice. We've just spent a good hour or so downstairs. This is the room. It's kind of an apart hotel. Got a nice big bed, little kitchenette area, look at this, with a hob and a sink, microwave, tea and coffee facilities. Oh look, like a proper pod coffee machine. Are there any pods? I don't know. A fridge. Rubbish. There's even a toaster in there. Pans. How cool is that? And I have a view of the garden, which is just out there, and that's the restaurant, part of the restaurant down there. Nice little seating area. All the plug sockets, these look like the ones from Plank, have got USB-C, which is perfect. And yeah, how nice is this room? Let me see what the bathroom looks like. Big TV, won't be needing to use that. Some storage here. There's a mirror around the back of there. It's an ironing board. This is the bathroom. Hi. A nice shower. Smallish bath, but that's fine. All different conditioner, body wash, shampoo, shaving thing, hand wash, some towels. Not the softest, but we'll make do. It's fine. This is a little hanging area for your clothes. I'm going to get mine out in a minute. Some hooks on the wall here, and you can separate off the seating area from the bed with that. If you wanted to separate that off, you don't have to. I don't see why you would in this kind of room. They do have suites, which are for families, so having a separator might be quite useful in that scenario. But yeah, nice and cute. Very happy with this room. And this room only cost me £153 for the night, so I am well impressed. Some nice natural light by the window. Yeah, we've got a few things to get prepped now for the event. We're going to do some swag bags, and we are going to make sure we've got everything, and then we're just going to chill. So that's the plan. We had lunch down where we're going to be running the event tonight, and it is a very nice area, a very nice venue, and we're very excited. Very excited. So yeah, better unpack. I don't think I've properly told you what the event is that we're running. So me, Nikki and Rachel used to run these little charm jewellery workshops where We designed and I laser cut these perspex charms, and people could make charm jewellery, either necklaces or bracelets. And we're doing it again, but this time in collaboration with Adobe. So we haven't done this workshop for the longest time, like before we had kids. So bringing it back to life is very special. And doing it with Adobe means we've done these cute little Adobe app charms as well that people can use. So we've got loads of people coming tonight to make some charm jewellery with us. I have come down with all of these. There's 1,000 charms there. We have some others in the other room. And jewellery making supplies, chains, jump rings, yeah, all the stuff that has come all the way down from Huddersfield with me. And people are going to come and eat some pizza, drink some cocktails and make some jewellery. So hopefully they'll have a good time making these fun little charm bracelets. We have all different charms in here. Obviously I'll show you more of the event when it's running, but right now we have to pack some swag because we have some lovely tote bags that we've also designed, and we're going to do raffle prizes. This is my raffle prize. It's got £150 worth of finest imaginary things in there, including the tote bag. And yeah, we're going to raffle that off along with some Adobe Cloud memberships. And Nikki and Rachel also have some things for the raffle, so that's part of it as well. So yeah, very exciting. Like I said, the rest of the afternoon is just going to be a bit more prep for that. We have to set up the event space. There's something going on in there at the moment anyway, so we can't do that. But I think the next step is going to be getting Nikki and Rachel in here, and we're going to do these swag bags because there's 100 of them to pack up with a few bits going in. It needs doing. So let's do it.
Starting with the step by these ones, yeah?
Yeah. Every single one. Every single tote bag.
All 100.
Okay, back in the room. Come back into the good natural light, and I am ready for the event. I think I've got changed, wearing a black jumpsuit thing from Sainsbury's. And yeah, I think we're ready to go. We need to go set everything up. It's 5 to 5. People are going to start arriving at 6, so we have plenty of time. But we just want to make sure everything's ready. Claddie is here from Adobe, and she has facilitated this whole event, so she's helping us set up as well. She wants to set up some Adobe things, so that's all going to be fun. And we want to make some samples of what people can make. So we're going to go down, we're going to get it set up, we're going to make some samples, and we're going to wait for everyone to arrive. Yeah, just trying to stay calm. And here we have our event. We were so happy with how it ran. We were able to take over all this space in the Eve restaurant / cafe, which is underneath Ember Locke. It's like run as a separate venture, but it's kind of integrated with the hotel. And it was just amazing. It was really casual. We had pizza, and there were like 40 of these pizzas for people to eat. They were amazing. They were really good pizzas, so everyone just devoured them. And we had cocktails. It was either a mojito or a cosmopolitan, and all you could drink soft drinks. And then people were just happy, sat, chatting, networking, making their jewellery, and it was such a good time. The event ran from 6 o'clock till 9 o'clock, and it honestly just flew by, and we are so thankful and grateful for Adobe collaborating with us on this project, and it meant everybody could come along for free, which was just perfect. It was exhausting though, I'm not gonna lie. Running an event is exhausting, so by the end of the night we just chilled out and made our own jewellery before heading to bed.
The next day.
Good morning. It's like 7:30. I woke up at 5 o'clock this morning but forced myself to go back to sleep. My friend Nikki had put these eye mask things through the door last night, so I thought I'd have a coffee and put them on this morning. Yeah, such a good event. I filmed lots of b-roll, so I will probably do a voiceover of the footage you've just seen, but it was so good and so fun, and we are so happy that everybody came and had a good time. Yeah, it was just a lot.
you know, when there's a lot of people and you're talking to all the people. And yeah, my social battery is well and truly drained today, but just trying to recharge a bit. Got my coffee, got my pod coffee. Claddie from Adobe had some of the pods in her room, so even though I didn't have the pods, she gave me and Nikki some pods, so that's what I've done this morning. The girls are going to come around here about 8 o'clock and we're going to sort through all our stuff, divide that up, get it back in the cases, grab some coffees and pastries from downstairs, and then head out to the exhibition over on South Bank. So quite an easy morning, not rushing around. We don't want to rush around after the event last night. The lighting here is not very good, is it? Ooh. Yeah, so we're kind of taking it easy, but still doing stuff. So yeah, I'll take you along for that. But yeah, the event went perfectly. So fun. Cannot fault the staff at all here. They've been so amazing. Like, all the event staff last night were so good, so helpful, so kind, just would do absolutely anything for us. And yeah, if you have an event that you want to hold in London, check out Eve at the Ember Locke. The food was amazing, the cocktails were amazing. Yeah, just perfect. If I was a better content creator, I would have done a swoosh swoosh transition, because I am now ready. Yeah, been trying to sort a bit of this out before Nikki and Rachel come round. They're just getting ready. I am fully ready. I'm going to go get some coffee from downstairs. There's a little cafe, it's really nice. We ate there yesterday actually for our lunch. Yeah, it's just such a nice venue because there's everything we needed. So I'm going to head down there. They had pastries. I'm hoping it's open. It's like 8:30 now. I'm going to head down there, get some coffee and some pastries. I'll show you because it's just cute. And then bring them up here. And then when those two are ready, they're going to come over. I'm just going to sort the rest of this stuff out. Look, table full of stuff, and we have some leftover tote bags from the event, so we're gonna divvy them up. I think I'm gonna give them away with orders. There's like 8 each or something, so I'll give them away with orders for like people who order over £20. I'll put them in their orders for free. So if you're seeing this, it might have already gone. If not, check it out on Instagram. I'll have mentioned it on there. Yeah, let's go get some coffee. Very needed. Look at that almond croissant. How amazing does that look? And they warmed it up for me as well. And a nice little flat white. Because it's an apart hotel as well, this came in a bag, but you have plates, like in the little kitchen. So I was able to put it on a plate.
There's the combo.
We've left the hotel. Well,
did you just trap your finger?
We're just leaving the hotel.
Park, guys.
And we're heading to an exhibition now.
That's cool. Look at all the battery cases. I feel like they deserve a little bit of
I've got Eli's Mickey Mouse case. It's fine. It worked.
Sorry,
it did the job. So yeah, we're heading over to Earl's Court. This was a very good hotel. Highly recommend it.
Lovely.
Yeah, and we've got to go find somewhere to put our luggage because we can't take cases to the exhibition. So that's the next stop. Yoshimoto Nara. That's the exhibition we're going to.
You're filming as I'm like,
Yeah.
bye.
Thank you. Bye. We're saying goodbye to Rachel.
Oh
She's
wait,
going-
and maybe me.
And maybe you, yeah.
I just
yeah.
need to go up the escalator.
At Waterloo.
To Waterloo, yeah.
Yeah.
Saying
So,
bye.
yeah. So goodbye. Bye.
Bye. Can't really that.
I am all on my own now. I've just headed up to King's Cross. I'm actually at Coldrops Yard, and if you know this place, it's kind of behind King's Cross. If you come out the back of King's Cross and walk up the hill, well, it's kind of a hill, there's loads of restaurants, loads of shops, this nice little area. Yeah, so if you find yourself in King's Cross at a loose end, come up here. I think it's also called the King's Cross Riviera. Yeah, it's a nice place to like hang out. I'm going to try and find a coffee shop to sit for an hour or so and do a little bit of work before my train at 4 o'clock. It's like 2:30 now. Still pretty exhausted. That exhibition was amazing. You'll have seen the footage from that. Yeah, let's go get some coffee. I feel like I'm running on coffee today. I ended up going to Redemption Roasters in Coldrops Yard and having a nice iced latte while I did a little bit of work, and then I headed down to catch the train home. Really hope you enjoyed this little glimpse at our event in London, seeing behind the scenes of how we put it together on the day. And yeah, I hope to see you again soon. Bye!